Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. What we're going to do now is talk about Crow Coin, and that's what I want to get into. I want to get into why I think it's a good buy right now, and in particular why it's going to do well in the next bull run. So let's dive into it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's going to help us out here on the channel. It'll help me produce even more content in the future. So, if you don't know what Crow is the native coin for Crypto.com. Now, in my opinion, a lot of people have a hard time getting into cryptos because they don't know where to start. And similar to, Binance or Coinbase, that's a very easy way for somebody to get access to crypto. And there's also, of course, everybody in the world with the cell phone, and they're going to download that Crypto.com app. It's a great app. You can easily buy, sell, trade, and just get your hands on some coins. So what I'm thinking is, the next halving in 2024 and going forward, this coin will do well because you can stake. You can stake with the coin. You can earn a decent yield, and if as many people are getting into cryptocurrencies as I think are in the next 5 years, it's just going to do well. So let's get into it a little bit, and I also want to go over the staking for it. So if we look at the Crypto.com app, so of course you can download it on your phone. That's where I use it, and it's just a very popular coin. And even if you look on their site, it's 17 cents there, right? But if we were to go to CoinMarketCap, let's see the price of Crow Coin. And it's got to be up here in the top 30, right? Something like that. Let's see. So Cronos, okay? Crow Coin. It's 7 cents right now. This coin is good. I believe they're building NFTs with it. And if you look at the charts here, when it first came out, it was 3 cents. Now we're at, it got to 50 cents. That's kind of where it was stagnant, 40 cents. But right now we're at 7 cents, we're 6, 7, 8 cents. And I just think, I see this going back to $1 next bull run. So if you were to buy some, not telling you to do that, but if you were to buy some, I think you would do well long term. So again, you have a lot of people bullish. These are just, people with a little bit of info on Crow. But at the end of the day, Crow owners can stake their coins on the Crypto.com chain to act as validators, earn fees for processing transactions. So again, you can stake your coin. You get rewarded when people get the card, when people use fiat with crypto, etc. It's going to be a way in which people can get access to cryptos, and the more the Crypto.com app is going to be popular, the more the price of this token will go up in value. So again, just think about it, the utility, right? Cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com continues to maintain that Crow, and it was called Crypto.com, remains one of the major contributions to pushing blockchain Web 3. So again, both chains as well as exchange utilize Crow tokens for various uses. I just see it doing very well because of that, right? I've bought Bitcoin and other cryptos using different methods. Crypto.com app is wonderful, and I just see it doing really well. And right now is probably a good time to get in. Not telling you to do so, but I'm getting into it. And once we have that interoperability, of course, they have contracts with, Ethereum there. So Cosmos, Solana. Once this thing really gets going, it's going to do very well. That's just the way I see it. So comment down below if you believe that it's going to do well. We also are running a ad program, and we are running promos. So Moose is loose. Use that coupon code on our online courses. So check out the links in the description below. We have a 10-day crypto course, NFT course, tons of different content where you can really build the foundation that you want to, or in fact need to, for the next bull run. So that's all we have for you in this one. See you in the next one.